And races on. Royal Princess, Thunder Ribbon, Lucky Lorky racing in third, moving up by Doralis Kirikada Milagros alongside his reality show and Federer. Passing the half-mile pose, Royal Princess, Thunder Ribbon Danori inside reality show. Kirikada Milagros is sneaking by Doral together with Federer and Lucky Lorky. And rounding the far turn, Royal Princess, Thunder Ribbon, reality show, Federer getting closer in fourth, Kirikada Milagros and Lucky Lorky as they race the final corner. Royal Princess, Thunder Ribbon, reality show, Federer rising up in between runners. Royal Princess followed now by Federer on the outside, Thunder Ribbon Danori inside, but Royal Princess increasing its marker to about 3 lengths, followed by Federer, and finally Royal Princess, Federer, Thunder Ribbon, Lucky Lorky, number 6, reality show, and Kirikada Milagros comes